Are you down for this? If you're in the mood, can take it to the moon. Just like a movie scene, table for two. No need to be fair, I want you instead.
Ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon ay ang arithmetic sequence. Ano nga ba ang arithmetic sequence? Ang arithmetic sequence is a sequence of number in which the difference between consecutive terms is always same. Ito ang general formula of arithmetic sequence. A sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1d. A sub n is equal to n term, a sub 1 is equal to first term, n is equal to number of terms, d is equal to common difference. Halimbawa, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 term. To find the common difference, we need to minus 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. Narito ang given. 5 is equal to a sub 1, 10 is equal to a sub 2, a sub 2 and a sub 1 ay ima-minus natin kaya nakuha ang 5. 15 is equal to a sub 3.
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now, you can save £50 per person. That's £200 off for a family of 4.
Geometric sequence. A sequence is geometric of each pair of consecutive terms have common ratio.
Formula for geometric.
Example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 16. A sub n equals to a sub 1. Common ratio n,
Where a sub n equals n term, a sub 1 equals first term, n equals number of term, r equals common. Find the ninth term of the sequence.
243 divided by 81 equals 3. 81 divided by 27 equals 3. 27 divided by 9 equals 3. 9 divided by 3 equals 3.
A sub n is equal a sub 1 is the common ratio of n minus 1. A sub 9 is equal 3 times 3 and 9 minus 1. N is equal 9 is equal 3 times 3 is equal 8. A sub 1 is equal 3 is equal 3.6561. Common ratio.
Ang aking atang-utay ay hindi po ate. Oy, lang ako.
Are you